الحمد لله الذي كتب الآثار ونسخ الآجال والقلوب له مفضية والسر عنده علانية. الحلال ما أحل والحرام ما حرم والدين ما شرع والأمر ما قضى. العبد عبده والخلق خلقه وهو الله الرؤوف الرحيم. ونشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له ونشهد أن سيدنا ونبينا ومولانا محمدا عبده ورسوله أرسله بالحق بشيرا ونذيرا وداعيا إلى الله بإذنه وسراجا منيرا صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وأصحابه وبارك وسلم تسليما كثيرا كثيرا أما بعد. Respected elders and beloved brothers, we should all thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the blessed day Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with. And another day coming closer towards the month of Ramadan. One of the famous du'as of Nabi Pak sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is Allahumma barik lana fi Rajab wa Sha'ban wa ballighna Ramadan. Oh Allah, grant us barakah in the month of Rajab and Sha'ban and make us one of those that witness the blessed month of Ramadan. The month of Ramadan comes with its blessings, it comes with numerous bounties, you feel it in the air, you don't have to explain it to anybody. With regards to the name Ramadan, it comes in one of the sayings of the Sahaba Ikram that we should not say Ramadan only. Like how we respect Makkatul Mukarramah and Madinatul Munawwara, we do not say out of respect, we say Makkah Mukarramah, blessed land, Madina Munawwara, enlightened land. Likewise, it comes in the sayings of the Sahaba, we should not just say Ramadan, rather we should say Shahru Ramadan, the blessed month or the month of Ramadan. And come to the meaning of the month of Ramadan. What is the meaning of Ramadan? Ulama Ikram mentioned that Ramadan means heated sand or something that has heat. When a person wants to refine gold, they put it into the furnace and thereafter you get your gold. Likewise silver, etc. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving us this month. Allah ta'ala is placing us into an oven. Allah ta'ala wants all our sins to be forgiven. And it's going to be forgiven in such a way that there will be no trace of it left. If a person smashes a car, meets up in an accident, any mechanic or any person who is into cars will be able to tell you, this is this car, this model, this year, is the diesel or whatever it is. He will be able to tell you. Why? Because there are some signs of the car, some features of the car that you will be able to tell. A person takes a desk, he breaks it into 2 pieces or 4 pieces. Any person can tell you that this was a desk. You take a chair, you break it into 2. A person will tell you, this was a chair. But if you burn the very same thing, you won't be able to tell what it was. You burn the desk, it will turn into ashes. Nobody will look at the ashes and say, I know what was this. Nobody can tell. It is just wood. What it was, nobody knows. Likewise is the effect of the month of Ramadan. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala burns all the sins of the believers to such an extent that even the angels writing down do not even remember those sins. That is how Allah Ta'ala removes it. So respected elders and beloved brothers, we are 1 week away. Next Friday it will be maybe the 1st or the 2nd of Ramadan. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to enlighten us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala must make us one of those that are prepared. When we're talking about preparation, you ask any household what is happening inside. The wives will tell you the samosas are being made, the spring rolls are being made, the pies, they are locking the freezer so that the kids don't come and take it out. We're giving the neighbors. There is such an environment, there is a vibe. The samosas are being distributed everywhere. Everybody is on the phone call. Did you order your samosas? Order your samosas. Those that are making at home, those that are buying. We're filling up the freezers. The husbands are ready to anticipate the month of Ramadan. They are giving the wives a credit card. Go swipe how much you want to. But make sure that my food is on the table. The wives are going for shopping. Everything is being done. 1st of Ramadan comes, the kids are also ready, kids are excited, they have all the Ramadan charts that I'm going to fast the first day of the month of Ramadan. But brothers, all this preparation was for what? All this preparation was for the stomach. There was no preparation for the soul. Where is the preparation of the soul? There is no preparation of the soul. How is it pie and samosa going to help me in the month of Ramadan? It will give you some strength. But what type of strength? When we recite Salah, when we perform Salah, in Salah we say, Oh Allah, ihdina sirat al-mustaqim. Oh Allah, guide me to the straight path. We say it every single Salah, 5 times. If we take only the fara'id of Salah, we read it 5 times a day. 4 rakat Salah, 4 times. Oh Allah, grant me hidayah, guide me to the straight path. What is the straight path? And I'm reading it for so long, still I'm not on the straight path. What is happening with me? What is wrong with me? Every single day I make dua, but what is happening to me? That Salah is still not inside of me. When I'm performing Salah, my mind is somewhere else. So what type of preparation do I need to make for the month of Ramadan? Especially, elders and beloved brothers, we all know a person goes, he wants a job, we take an interview, and the first 1 or 2 months we call a training period. We know he's not going to adapt in the first 1 or 2 months because he needs training. So likewise, what was our training? Have I been coming for Salah, training myself, so that when the month of Ramadan comes, it's easy for me to come from home, come to the masjid, break my iftar here, come for the Taraweeh Salah, perform 20 rakats of Taraweeh Salah. Because when it comes to that, then we say, Maulana, you know what, I'm tired, man, I need a fatwa. Fatwa on what? Can I read a few rakats and inshallah, no, you can just cover it up for me. Let the Maulana read the 20 and ask Maulana to make dua for us. Others not going to work like that. Why does that happen? Or why does that thought come to our mind? Because there was no preparation done before. Within the month of Ramadan is going to come, and automatically what's going to happen? Ramadan is going to push me towards the masjid. I'm going to take out my zakat. I'm going to be feeding the people inside the masjid. Brothers, it will help. But if you are not here, then you are not benefiting nobody. Everybody else is benefiting. You yourself are benefiting nothing out of them before or in the month of Ramadan. So respect the elders and beloved brothers, let us make this intention. Because the month of Ramadan starts, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, there are already changes happening in Jannah. There is a wind that blows in Jannah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, everybody in Jannah feels that wind. The Malaika ask, the Hurul Ain ask, Oh Allah, where is this wind coming from? It is such a melodious wind. It is such a beautiful wind. Oh Allah, where is this thing coming from? What is happening? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala answers them and tells them, the month of Ramadan is coming. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala orders the angels, go and lock and close the doors of Jahannam. Lock it. So that and take all the shayateen, lock them inside. Why? So that they do not spoil the fast of Bani Adam. Open the doors of Jannah. Open the doors of Jannah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is ready to multiply the reward of every action. Every action holds one reward. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increases every reward 7 times more. And another ayah of the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala multiplies it by 100 times. And according to some riwayat, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is willing to increase it to 700 and 700,000 times. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that there is no number, there is no limit to soul. When it comes to fasting, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not have a limit. It must be 700 or 700,000. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says unlimited. You perform one action in the month of Ramadan, I will increase it even 1,000,000 times. It is upon myself. That reward I will give myself. And what is the reason for that? Because we are staying away from sin, we are staying away from all shahawat, we are staying hungry from the morning to the evening. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves that sacrifice. And the most beloved thing in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala of a fasting person is what? Something that me and you dislike. It is the breath of a fasting person. It smells. But that is the most beautiful thing towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That is why we should not brush our teeth. Everybody will get them in the morning, they always ask the ulama, Mawlana, can I brush my teeth? So why do you want to brush your teeth? That is beloved to Allah. The fast we're keeping for who? We're keeping it for Allah. And all the miswaks in the whole of Fortsburg, everything gets finished. Why? Because only in the month of Ramadan we make miswak. And the whole year we take the same miswak, we put it away. So some sunnats, mashallah, come out in Ramadan. That's why the brothers, remember Ramadan, before Ramadan there's a preparation. During Ramadan we increase in it. And after Ramadan we carry on with it. We do not stop it. It needs to carry on. It is very unfortunate in our homes that this is the time where all the Qurans are being dusted off. All the Qurans and all the kitabs, all the Fadail A'mal, Hayatul Sahaba, everything is being dusted. Why? Because the month of Ramadan is coming, we need to start reading now. It's very unfortunate. The recitation of the Quran Kareem should be recited every single day. Every single day Quran Kareem should be recited. So it is not never too late, it is still 1 week left. Let us all make this intention. Oh Allah, I am going to make an effort to improve myself. Whether it is 1 page, if you do something for a person, he won't appreciate it. He'll say, no, you done it for your own benefit. But if you recite 1 page for the pleasure of Allah, only 1 page, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes it in a golden platter. And Allah ta'ala rewards you for it. For 1 page, you done nothing else. You just recited 1 page of the Quran Kareem. Every single day in the month of Ramadan, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala comes down to the heavens, and Allah to the 7th heaven, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes an announcement. Is there anybody seeking forgiveness so that I may forgive him? Allah ta'ala is selling forgiveness. We are the buyers. And what we say, we ask Allah, what is the price? Get up 1.5 hours before Sehri. You say, it's too difficult. 1.5 hours is too much. Oh Allah, give me a discount. Allah Ta'ala say, last 1 hour. We ask for more discount. Half an hour. And in that half an hour, 25 minutes for Sehri and 5 minutes for dua. In the month of Ramadan. We give 25 minutes to Sehri and we give 5 minutes for dua and tahajjud salah. This is a month where we need to exert ourselves. But when are we going to exert? When preparation is done before. Let us start getting up now. Now we are going into winter, the times of salah, it is easier to get up. We were used to it, we were getting up at 4:30 early in the morning to perform Fajr salah. Now Fajr is at 5:30, 5:15. It is still easier to get up now. Let us get up 15-20 minutes earlier. Let us start making dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't make dua for everybody else and never ever forget yourself. First start with yourself, because I am in need of that dua. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant all of us the tawfiq that from now till before Ramadan, let us start getting up for tahajjud salah. Let us start reciting Quran Kareem, whether it is 1 pages or 2 pages. Let us start making dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let us start giving sadaqah, because sadaqah will remove all type of obstacles for you, things that will come in your way, that will harm you coming towards the month of Ramadan. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil